Oh yeah, there's nothing there.
There's no lock.
Oh, the mechanism's gone. Yeah, so that's the inside handle works and the outside doesn't at all. That is so lock. And unlock, but not. Oh, got a little bit of movement. Right. Phew. Come on. Jesus, that's solid. Yeah, unfortunately it's going to need a new gearbox. That is solid.
Right.
It's not moving at all. So for a new gearbox for this, you're looking at 170 supplied and fitted. Because it works. Yeah, £170 for a new gearbox. Because that's not gonna budge at all.
Can we keep it the way it was?
Yeah, I can put it back to the way it was. Yeah.
No,
It will operate exactly the way it was, I mean, if there's stuff broken in it, it could lock out.
Yeah.
Just to make you fully aware. So if you get locked out, it's all on you.
Come in the back, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you're going to get a new door then?
Yeah.
Well, you're getting a new door, did you say?
We will be getting a new door soon, yeah.
All right. What, you don't like this one, or?
No, it's dated now. We've only just moved in, so it's well, a year.
Yeah.
So it's a bit dated, so yeah.
Yeah. I think it's a bad door, actually.
Yeah?
I don't think it's a bad door. No, you want to get one of the composite ones,
Yeah.
the new style ones. Yeah, a lot of people like those.
You need to make sure there's glass in it because of the light, you know. It's from,
Yeah. There's not conservation around here, is there?
no,
No.
well, I don't think so because neighbours have got their doors changed, so
Yeah. It's just like me, I come under Willing Estates. So you got to get permission for everything. Tell you what though, let me try some WD-40, some spray, just in case. Let me get some spray. Yeah. Like this. Now you get to see how messy my van is again. It's just empty spray. Got a bot. New machine. And what did I do with all my sprays? Oh, not on the front, are they? No. There we go. Is it locking? No. That'll be the back door. That's it. Maybe I should have tried this first. There we go. Well, hopefully. You know, I have had one before though. It started working after a bit of a spray.
I didn't know we didn't fix it.
So, oh, that's the way around. Yeah, what I tend to use is GT85. It seems to be a bit better than WD-40.
Cool.
GT85. Yeah, it's that. Because WD-40 now is a bit more of a cleaner. It used to be good, but let me put these back in there. Put this back in here. This is all at the top. Please back. Oh, it's starting to work in. It's working in a bit, and we just get this all screwed on, and hopefully it'll.
Instructions for the second one. Don't do it. Yeah, it seems simple now. Oh, yeah. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, do the days. Always at the same time every day. But yeah. That's it.
Yeah, sometimes just by taking things out and putting them back in, they start working again. I had this the other day with a lock. Took it out.
So where did you spray this on the lock itself?
In the latch. So well, you can't do this side, but you pull the handle down, spray in there. And sometimes it can get a bit dry. But hopefully, I mean, it's still stiff. It's still stiff, but it's working in. So you know.
Yeah, it's just gone back to life, and then it went down,
so it's working, but it's. So I'm thinking maybe a bit more. I'll just spray. And that little slot as well. There's a little slot there.
Yeah.
So it'll be easy just to. That's it. Into there, and then literally. That's. I mean, it's not quite working out it's supposed to, but.
And it still locks the key.
Yeah. Yeah, so actually what I'm going to do is, because that might even be just a handle. So, I just, oh, sorry, phone's ringing. Hello, Locksmith. Yes. Yeah. I'm still on the job, but yeah. I said you about 45 minutes. Yeah. That's what I said to you, 45 minutes when I spoke to you. No, I said 45 minutes. Sorry. No, not 45 minutes, no, about 45. No. Yeah, you okay? You okay to wait? Yeah? Okay. No problem at all. I'll see you soon then. Cheers then. Bye. Yeah. Okay. But it'll work. Right. So how long it'll see you out for? I have no idea. Let's see. Yeah. It's more important from the outside. Let's go outside.
See you later. See you later. Good job. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe jump. Right then. Oh. Be wrong. That's it. Perfect.
Yeah?
Yep. Yeah. That'll get you by.
Yeah.
If you're going to get a new door, then yeah. No point in spending money.
Yeah.
And then, yeah. Right then. Let's have a look at this window then.
Yeah.
Right.
It's just up the stairs. This is the one that's been. It's just a silver button. So you can look at that.
Right.
So it's just it doesn't.
Oh.
Mind your head here. As in when you face
Oh, when I bend in here. Oh, yeah, there's nothing there.
There's no lock.
Right, the mechanism's gone. So that it could be something simple. It could be the spindles come out. So let me just check it. Oh. Let me just go and get my screwdriver. Because sometimes the bar that's in it comes out. And it's just a case of putting it back in again.
Oh, I hope so. It's been like that for a year.
It's been like that for a year.
Yeah,
And you've been going, no, you will put up with it. But now when you're getting out of the shower, it's a little bit too cold.
This time of year, yeah. I leave you to. Leave you to.
Right then.
Do you want a hot drink?
I'm okay actually, to be honest with you. Oh, these are those lights that come on automatically as you go up and down.
I'm charging them here. I'm charging them for a year.
All right, I was looking at them.
They're really good, yeah.
That's like a good idea. So they come on as you walk down the stairs.
Yeah.
They're smart, aren't they?
They're only going for three. I think £5.
God, it's nothing. Was that Amazon?
Yeah.
Was it Amazon?
Timu, I think.
Oh, Timu. All right. That's cool. Right, so yeah, boss, come out. Open position. Yeah. There you go. Look at that position. See what stuff's going to start coming out now. Job done. Nice easy one.